think we are seeing the most disruptive force in history here. Where we have for the first time, we will have for the first time something that is smarter than the smartest human. And that
AI is about to replace millions of jobs, and most people are completely unprepared. But the truth is, this could be the biggest opportunity of your life. Right now, AI can already write articles, translate languages, edit videos, and even answer customer support better than humans. But here's the mistake people make. They think AI is the enemy. But what if AI is actually a tool?
I think it probably is generally a good thing, because there are a lot of jobs that are uncomfortable or dangerous or sort of tedious, and the computer will have no problem doing that. They're happy to do that all day long.
A tool that can make you more powerful, not replace you. So what should you do? First, learn how to use AI. If you don't learn AI, you will be replaced by someone who does. Start simple. Use AI tools for writing, for generating ideas, for automating tasks. You don't need to be a programmer. You just need to understand how to use the tools. Second, combine AI with real skills. The future belongs to people who combine skills. AI plus marketing, AI plus video editing, AI plus business. That's where the real power is. Because someone who understands AI and also understands a real skill can do the work of 5 people. Third, become hard to replace. Ask yourself, can a machine replace me easily? If the answer is yes, you need to upgrade. Focus on creativity, decision-making, and strategy. These are things AI still struggles with. Fourth, use AI to make money. This is where everything changes. You can create content faster, start a YouTube channel, build digital products, offer services online. AI is not just taking jobs, it's creating new opportunities. And the people who understand this early will win big. Most people will ignore this. They will keep doing the same things until it's too late. But a small group of people will adapt. They will learn AI, use it, and build something bigger. The future does not belong to everyone. It belongs to those who are ready. So the question is simple. Will you be replaced, or will you become unstoppable?